Welcome to ABC News. I'm Sky from class 12C1.
And I'm Mary from class 12C5. Today, we have a lot of exciting activities to share with you. So, let's dive in! First up, our student in grade 6 went on a cool study tour to Đại Nam tourist area. It was a good way to learn outside the classroom.
What a great day! Students were able to learn about the nature, history, while also having fun exploring the park.
Next, the activity Natural Science Arena brought a lively atmosphere for grade 8 students. The day was full of fun games and quizzes about physics, chemistry, and biology.
That's so awesome! This activity helped the students understand the science more easily, practice teamwork, and become more confident when answering the question.
At the same time, the activity We Are the Future was organized for grade 9 students. It gave them the chance to think about future careers and show creativity.
The students not only practiced their presentation skill, but also learned how to speak confidently in front of others.
And don't forget third graders. They had their shining moment in a great activity called I Learn Good Things Through Small Roles. They got to showcase their amazing acting talents.
It was an opportunity for them to practice presentation and teamwork while having fun.
It's great to see the students participating in these interesting activities. And now, let's hear what the first graders think about the extracurricular activities.
Hi there, how did you feel about the activities?
I love it. The game was so fun. I really want to try those activities again. I was so happy and excited. I really liked the play.
Wow, it seems like everyone had some memorable experiences.
That's right. Thank you for sharing, everyone. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the highlights from this broadcast.
Don't forget to follow our fan page for more updated news.
I'm Mary.
I'm Sky. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.